Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about a Chainbase C USDT trading pair with my customer MicroSat. Let's dive in, guys. After listing, I didn't post the video on the next day. I just missed the token listing, and you can use this model, total for free. I million times explained to you how to work with this model. If you're new on this channel, I highly recommend you guys go and check the free educational tutorial video how to work with initiation accumulation pump model. This model got a pretty good win rate for the tokens after listing. We work with the zone of interest. Take a look. We used the FIB lowest point on the BitGet and KuCoin was like 2 cents. So finally actual price of the listing, at least on the two exchanges. Take a look the reaction. This playing out like support now, but usually this block play like resistance. What is bad with this token? I like with many others. So kind of huge difference between the market capitalization and FDV. 50 million market capitalization at 31 cents now, and FDV it's 313 million. So it's kind of crazy difference. So crazy difference, like 6 times bigger the FDV, the to market capitalization, and 16% tokens only in circulatory supply. So anyway, we will see the vesting shadow, right? So we can track the unlocks. So be careful. So if you don't know what is unlocked, so every single time when we get some unlock day, the more tokens appear on the market, and early investors, ecosystem, some community get their allocation and can sell or hold it. We can't know what they can do, they will do with their tokens. So of course the unlocks is not always about a dump, but just be careful. Just be careful, because I'm more than sure. Take a look at the fundraising rounds. Unfortunately, there is no data, but here's an angel round in 2022. The Series A round was in 2024. So the year ago, we got a Series A round, and we can't know at what price do they get at this tokens. And for sure, I'm more than sure they get a lot of different wallets. So they're like 100 wallets, and they can spread the tokens between the wallets, hide their steps, and distribute it step by step. Also, on investing schedule here, we got a liquidity TGA, but here workers for the 5 years unlocks ecosystem 23% of total emissions. So it's like 2.12% monthly for 3 years. All right. Early bakers, like distribution could be in 2026, but who knows? Maybe they get other wallets. So highly recommend you guys, be careful with this type of tokens, because now it's a hype. Congrats if you hop into this token here. It's not about my strategy, my zone of interest for this token. So believe it or not, but one day we will drop to this zones. So it worked like a clock. So just a matter of time when we will drop to this zone of interest. Is it possible? So we'll drop this zones like in August or September? Yes, of course. Now it sounds unrealistic. It sounds totally unrealistic how we can drop from 31 cents to let's say 6. Guys, highly recommend you open the charts of any token which listed during the 2023 2025 on a Binance or any other exchanges, and double check how this model playing out. So congrats everybody who took a risk at 0 level and hop in here. Of course, guys, after 100% profit, better here withdraw initial deposit, and you could fix the profit 433. So guys, it's more than okay to fix the profit. Don't be so greedy. If you hop in here, up to your own risk, or at least at the test of this block, like 27 block was like support. Now he's playing out like usually it's a resistance. Now it's like support. Can we form the 3 drives pattern? 1, 2, 3. Yes, of course. It can be even the 70 cents, but it's going to be the hard drop. Can I be wrong? Of course, guys. I just shared my idea, and I shared this model. What I analyzed the tokens in the last 3 years, and I guess 90% of them drop sooner or later to the zone of interest. So guys, I highly recommend you just work with the proper money management. If we talk about just the local zones here, soon we will see the the end of the month, and this will be the here. This is a gap. So at least we can locally test the 20 cents 54. It's a daily favorable gap. 20 cents 62. After that, the full field 15.80, and we can drop even this September, for example, August to 6 cents. If not, I will be more than happy for you, if you took own risk and will skyrocket higher. So just in case, guys, everything possible in crypto. So never say never, because the people even for Celestia screaming, no, we go into the moon. And when Celestia forms similar model, listing 23 low by FIB, going higher to $20, and after that landed like this one. So just a matter of time, guys. Be careful. Now, 4-hour time frame here would be logical to test 38 now, and or go to form 3 rise pattern to the top, and after that drop by end of the month, or from this current prices we can drop. It's just my personal opinion, guys. You don't have to follow this, not a signal or so. I just share the idea on YouTube totally for free, guys. Take a look, guys, with my customer said what's going on now with this token here. This is Aphria. So if you watch all my previous videos, guys, you know how do I work with this set. And if you want to analyze more depth tokens, highly recommend you use this set. So this is an Aphria zone. So this is not accumulation. Definitely, it's not an accumulation, guys. And this is Aphria even in 4-hour time frame. No accumulation on ADZ, no accumulation on direction. So of course, it's not like crazy distribution, right? It's just 50 million market capitalization now. But this is not a even accumulation on 4-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame here. Here's was a pump, distribution, drop, pump, distribution, drop. Now it was accumulation. We bounced a little bit, and now we're in the middle. So this is also, let's hide the FIB. So this is also not a like accumulation zone, even in the 1-hour time frame. Can we go higher? Yes, of course, to form the 3 rise pattern. I repeat again, on 1-hour time frame. We got like 8 or 9 days by end of this month. So yes, we can see the spike again to 70, even to 70 cents, guys. But be careful, be careful. Direction, no signal to sell or buy on direction indicator. Market smooth here. How you can work, on this with this indicator set on a small time frame. For example, of course, you have to combine all of these indicators and work in a complex. You can't just follow some single one signal. For example, listing, pump, Aphria, drop. You buying, try accumulate up to your own risk, in capitulation zone, the gray color. Pump, distribution, total madness, Aphria, drop. Here, buyback, pump. Of course, sometimes it can be like not a like crazy pump, but for example, with even the second leverage, here it could be like 80%. Now it's a trill zone. So it's a trill zone. So take a look how the sentiment changed, right? So we almost here at 24 in the total, like capitulation. Nobody care about this token. Everybody in fear. Now we're at 30. So basically like 6 cents differences, but now it's a trill, a free zone. That's the point, guys. So it's not random and everything you can track by yourself here. What I can say about the money power indicator. So this indicator showed the money inflow, money outflow here. This was a money outflow on this candle. So the whales fix a profit. Now we bounce it, not at the top, not even at the top. We like here, we like 20%, 75%, a lower price. We at this point like 31, the money outflow was at 54, and now I will be not surprised if we will see the new money outflow. So just in case, 1-hour time frame, guys, here, money outflow, money inflow, money inflow, money in, pump 40%, money outflow. Here's a bearish MACD divergence. So guys, most positive case scenario, if we're gonna form the 3 rise pattern. What is 3 rise pattern? I recommend you go and check the educational video. 4-hour time frame, sell, drop, buy back, bounce, nothing, nothing more. 1-hour time frame, sell, drop, buy back, sell, buy back, sell. Now no buyback, no signal to accumulation. Here was a buy, the last one on 30 minutes time frame, sell, distribution. So I more about the drop. I'm more about a drop by end of this month or even in August. Last indicator, guys, take profit. Take profit here. 4-hour time frame, no data, 1-hour time frame here. We can retest once again. Take profit line is 39 cents 47. Exit line is 44.53. And so this is the lines what we can retest and drop it back. Buy line now at 1 hour time frame, it's 20 cents. Round number. Fundamental value. So we got a difference between the price and the fundamental value. Fundamental value it's 15 cents. And of course, the lines are dynamic. That's why, guys, I highly recommend you work, in a complex. Here was a buy line on a 30-minute time frame, pump. When we trade way over exit line on some high time frames, it's not a time to in, it's time to out. We landed back, but didn't test the buy line. Buy line now on 30-minute time frame, 1985. For the value, it's 1479. So guys, all targets I showed you, we'll come back to this video later, I guess in August, to double check if this idea was right or wrong. If wrong, it's okay. It's absolutely okay, guys. If you like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.